you looking to buy a car from Copart USA but want to get the best deal possible? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you navigate the process and get the best deal on your dream car. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding Copart USA. Copart USA is a popular online car auction platform that offers a wide range of vehicles, from salvage titles to clean titles. But before you start bidding, it's important to understand how the platform works and what to expect. Section 2. Research and preparation. Research is key when it comes to getting the best deal on a car from Copart USA. Here are some tips to help you prepare. Know the market value of the car you're interested in. Check the vehicle's history report. Review the auction listing carefully. Set a budget and stick to it. Section 3. Bidding strategies. Now that you're prepared, let's talk about bidding strategies. Here are some tips to help you get the best deal. Start with a low bid to test the waters. Use the proxy bid feature to automate your bidding. Don't get emotional, stick to your budget. Consider bidding on vehicles with lower mileage or damage. Section 4. Inspecting and buying. Once you've won the auction, it's time to inspect and buy the vehicle. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Inspect the vehicle thoroughly before buying. Check for any additional fees or charges. Use a third-party inspection service if possible. Don't hesitate to walk away if the vehicle isn't what you expected. Section 5. Additional tips and tricks. Here are some additional tips and tricks to help you get the best deal on a car from Copart USA. Consider buying a salvage title vehicle. It could be a great deal. Look for vehicles with a high demand. They may sell for lower prices. Use the Copart USA app to stay up to date on auction listings and bidding. Knowledge is power, and with these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to getting the best deal possible. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market Lagos or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper, and importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment, then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks. And also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, The good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.